Create a safe and realistic fire simulation in minutes with our easy-to-use fire simulator. Have you ever wanted to experience a fire without danger? This fire simulator is the solution. Assembling the fire simulator is easy. All you need is a wrench, 5 minutes of your time, and a gas cylinder. Don't worry, the instruction manual will guide you through the process step by step. Once the fire simulator is set up, ignite the spark with the remote control button. It's that simple. You can also adjust the flame height with the regulator knob. Whether you want a small flame or a big one is up to you. With a bit of practice, operating the fire simulator will become second nature to you. You can enjoy the experience of fire whenever you want, without any danger. Contact us now to learn more about this amazing fire simulator. It's safe, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who wants to experience a fire without any risk.